Hello everybody, today we make Italian wedding soup. You call it like this wedding soup because the meat you get married with escarole, celery and carrots. All the ingredients together, it make a really good flavor. Okay, now we gotta go at the stove because we gotta start the soup. The gas is on and we put a little oil. Okay, now the oil is a little hot, we start with the onion. Already the onion, it give a nice smell already. You don't gotta cook too much of the onion, okay? You don't want a bit too color. The onion gotta be nice white, because you burn the onion, it don't look good on the soup. And it don't taste good neither, okay? After what you do, it tastes burn. And now we put the celery, and we put the carrots. We leave it saute like this 1 minute. Okay, give a good taste together with the onion, everything. Okay, now this is ready, and now we put the chicken stock. 9 cups of chicken stock. Now we put on low and leave cook this, and I want to go on the table to prepare my meatball. Now the meatball I like to do with the turkey. It's really light, but see you want, you can use with the beef, pork, mix it together, everything you want, it's good. It's meat, and you do the meatball the way you want. And I put egg, parsley. Now I got a black pepper and salt. I got over here the Pecorino cheese. It's 1 cup of Pecorino cheese. And I got 1 cup of the breadcrumb, but I don't use all of it now. But we see after Sunday the more, I put the rest. I use like half a cup. And now I got the garlic, and the garlic I want to squeeze with my squeezed garlic over here. Squeeze it good. I like the meatball to be a lot of garlic. I like the garlic. Now we got to do the mix. I wash my hand, everything already, and now let's do the meatball the way I like. Okay, now I want to put the rest of my breadcrumb because still it's a little soft in my mix. And now it's the time to roll the meatball like a boss. Now this is the size of the meatball I gotta make. Look. Oh, when I eat this soup with the meatball, maybe I gotta eat 100. Okay, now the meatball is done. It's time to put on the soup. You see, roll like a meatball. Okay, now when it starts to boil, we gotta put the escarole. Okay, now the meatball is starting to boil, and now it's time for the escarole. And the escarole, you gotta make sure to clean up good and to wash good. Now we give a nice turn the escarole. Okay, you gotta go down, and this now you gotta cook for 10 to 12 minutes. And after this is done, I want to get a nice dish for me, a nice glass wine. Okay, the soup is almost done. I got the water boil, and we gotta cook 2 cups farfalline. I cook the pasta separate. I don't want to cook in the soup, because you cook this pasta in the soup, let's just say after you want to eat a little bit more, you leave the pasta stay in the soup. This is a farfalline. You see, it's a small farfalline. But so you leave on the soup, it comes a farfallone. And the farfallone, it's big like this, like a butterfly really. I like to cook it separate, but so you want to cook it together, it's your chance. You take a chance. The pasta is done, and I want to drain. Okay, now the pasta is done, the soup is done, and let me try my soup. Italian wedding soup looks so good, and I want to use a little pecorino cheese on the top, and I want to take a little escarole and 1 meatball. Boy. This oil, baby, it's really, really hot. The meatball, so good. Everything is good, delicious. I salute everybody. Thank you very much, and we see you next recipe.